Hi guys, Bruce from Bruce Bow Homes. Thanks for tuning in. And today we're going to talk about the housing crisis and what's happening now that lumber prices are starting to slip a little bit. So thanks for tuning in. If you're looking at buying new construction, you're going to want to listen to this video. Also, if you're curious what existing homes is going to happen in the market now that lumber prices are starting to come back down, this is the video for you. Third thing is remodeling projects. Should I, shouldn't I? Well, we're going to touch on that also. If you want a deeper dive into the economics involved and the bigger movements of what's going on, I've got a longer video. This is going to be nice and quick to the point, but a longer video, it'll be linked below, talking about the housing crisis update for June 30th when I made the video, but it'll get published real soon. Today's July 1st. Happy 4th of July. Enjoy your Independence Day weekend. And let's talk about new construction. Well, everybody really loves a brand new home. I know existing homes have some big pluses, but I have more clients come to me looking for new construction. Problem is, prices skyrocketed and availability has been zero this year due to pandemic, due to skyrocketing lumber prices. Well, now that lumber's starting to come down, how's that going to affect new construction? Here's what's happening. Builders are getting ready to actually build now. They had really slowed down construction due to a lack of labor, lack of materials, and the unpredictability of what these things would cost them. So they're afraid of actually losing money when they build houses. Now that prices are coming down, and as the summer ends, the unemployment assistance, double dipping in unemployment is going to end, and presumably. And so the construction labor, construction materials are coming back, and builders are going to feel more confident about building, and availability for new construction will go up. Will there be enough to go around? Probably not. There's still more buyers for new construction than there are new construction properties for sale. But if you're serious about getting a new house, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to get you set up. And I have relationships with several builders so that I could get us to the front of the line and make sure you get the home that you want in the location you want. Now, if you're talking about existing homes, whether it's your home that you're looking to sell or if you're looking to buy an existing home, greater economy in buying an existing home is a little less expensive than new construction, but values are still very high. So as they've gone up, they've skyrocketed up in recent years. It's tapering off, but new home values do continue to rise. So your equity is secure, and for buyers, sorry, there's no giant crash. There's no huge bargains out there to be had, but there are good homes available at a fair price. So as our wages and inflation in general goes up, with home prices tapering off, the two should come back in alignment in the reasonably near future, making the availability of homes just a little bit easier to take. Overall, bad news is that affordability is still at a low. With house prices going up faster than wages, new home buyers are having a harder time getting into a house. We're also seeing mortgage rates continue to slowly tick up, and that will continue for the predictable future. So again, affordability, well, it's not too great right now. It's going to only get worse. So if you're on the edge of deciding whether to go now or later, you might now want to look now and see what you can get and trying to get into a home before affordability declines even further. It's likely to get worse long before it'll get any better. Talked about remodeling. You have an existing home and you just decided, hey, it's not worth moving right now. We'd rather just add that deck, add an extra bedroom, remodel the basement. All good reasons, all good stuff, but lumber prices maybe kept you back. With lumber prices coming down, you might think it's the time to do that remodeling project. My suggestion is hold off. Lumber prices will likely to come down a little bit more in the near future, but also the labor will become more available as the unemployment benefits start to taper off, as people get back to a normal work schedule after the pandemic. Construction labor will be more available to you as the fall comes and going into the winter this year. So advice for this summer, hold off on your remodeling project. Go enjoy some traveling, get together with friends, do the things that you haven't been able to do. Maybe remodel this winter when things are a little quieter. But if you're looking to buy or sell, you'd probably want to do that sooner rather than later, because the numbers, as scary as they are, they're more likely to get worse. The the cost versus the value is likely to decline over the next couple of years. So reach out to me. Let me take a look at your specific situation and see if I can give you a little more insight. Love to help you. You could always reach out to me at brucebow.com or 678-761-5803 is my cell. Shoot me a text if you got a question. Feel free to give a call. Or once you're on the website, you can message me and search for homes and see what things in your neighborhood are going for. Also, there's a quick link to get an evaluation on your house. So reach out, brucebow.com, and thanks so much for listening. We'll see you on the next one.